Hi darlings, this is Emma and you are back here on my YouTube channel. The weather today is super gloomy, but my mood is very sunny. And the reason is that I'm going to be trading on pocket option, sharing every step of this fascinating journey with you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it and see how much I can make using my proven strategies and deep understanding of trading. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna pick candles and M1 for the time frame. I'm going to enable the timer. And well, I'm gonna need a few ADX. I also gonna need Keltner channel and fractal. Here we go, and the moving averages. Perfect. Well, I'm gonna leave some money for the insurance amount, so let's just start with the $150. Beautiful. And let's take another look here. All right, so we saw the rejection from 151.82 resistance level, followed by a downward move. Take a look at the ADX lines. They are converging and the price is breaking below the moving averages. So we are entering a put option here. Let's go for it. Oof! Oh well, that happens. The sudden buyer stepped in. In reversal, the trend upward happened. Well, it happens. We are gonna go for the same pair again. And I am entering a call option as the ADX leveled out and supports the upward momentum. Guys, that can happen. The market surprises are sudden and not always pleasant, but you gotta learn how to deal with that. And that psychological aspect of trading, I also teach in my TJ channel, the link to which you will find below this video. So highly recommend you to prepare yourself and check that out. You will not regret, I promise you. Yes, $288. Well done. We are on the right track now, which is exciting. And I'm very happy about it. Now we just gotta keep going. Darlings, and if you want to learn the best strategies and improve your trading skills, I will be happy to see you in my TJ channel. The link is right below this video, so make sure to subscribe. Well, what about this as a pair? Let me see and add something here, because we cannot proceed without a parallel channel, and I will tell you why in a second. Okay, let's place $200 for now for this next bid. And as you can see here, the price is in a clear downtrend. And the reason why I drew the channel was to visualize it. Oscillator and the moving averages both confirm bearish momentum. So it is time to go down, and that is time for a put option. Let's wait for that drop together. That's what I'm telling you, $384. Beautiful result, just beautiful. And I'm loving every single number of it. And do what you do best. Okay, next pair. Let's see if we can work with this one. Well, and I'm going to increase the bid to 300 this time. And guys, take a look. The price bounced off the 37.82 resistance and it began to fall. We are breaking below the moving averages, targeting the middle of the Keltner channel. The ADX lines are about to cross, signaling growing trend strength. So we are going short, we are falling down, and I cannot wait for this to happen. Amazing. And also wanted to remind you guys that if you want to explore the trading opportunities and the educational approach to strategy sounds like a great one for you, then you should definitely check out my TG channel. You will find the link below this video. And look, my results speak for themselves. $572. This profit is just lovely. And I don't care about the rain anymore. Before I get too poetic, let's explore this new pair. See what we can do with that. All right. Well, $400 for this next one. And I can see that the price is breaking below the midline, and I am expecting it to continue down through the channel's central line. I think it's happening. Also, the ADX lines are converging, pointing to a potential trend. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a put option because I believe we got room for a fall. So why don't we use it? Exactly. If it's happening, it's happening. Ooh, $768. That was a clean profit, darlings. It definitely was. How amazing is that? I just have to decide. I think it's happening. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna keep the same bid for now, and what I'm seeing right now is a very strong downtrend on the Aussie. ADX is showing a powerful move. You see, this blue line indicates exceptionally strong momentum, and all signs point to a continued bearish action. So I am entering a put option here because there is only one way from here, and it's the way down. So let's wait for this drop to happen. You know what else I'm obsessed with? $768 I just made. Oh my God, darlings. I had just $300 in my account when I started today, and I even left $150 aside because I wanted to keep some money for the insurance. And look, I got almost $1,500 at the end of today's session. And I think it's a wonderful result, and it clearly shows that if you know what you're doing and if you practice enough and put enough effort into the learning, you are going to get there. And darlings, if you want to grow your trading account and explore more trading opportunities, I will be more than happy to show it to you in my special Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and I cannot wait to see you there. So have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and also I will see you back here very, very soon. Bye.